Welcome to Cottage. We're on the edge of the village of Trull, south side of Taunton. We're at a beautiful home, thatched but not listed, which means you get the benefit of modern double glazing, which is just great to keep that heat in, but all the character features that you would expect with a property of this sort of period. Sitting in about 1.3 acres, south facing, there's an awful lot to offer here. Let's have a look around. What I love about the internal accommodation is the flow of rooms. We've got this beautiful sitting room with the ingle nook and the wood burner, a dining room, a kitchen. We've got two other useful rooms and 4 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. So really ideal for a family or a couple. And of course, most of the focus is that way over those beautiful views. Now, if you're looking for a bit of additional space, and above the double garage, which is right next to the property, is this fantastic room, accessed via an external staircase. So if you're working from home, you want to paint, you've got children on sleepover, this is just perfect. Or perhaps if you have bigger plans, why not have a connection to the main house to make it a further part of the accommodation? The choice is yours. So if you like your outside space, 1.3 acres, really level, countryside views, sunshine is gorgeous, and we have a little wildlife pond there. It's just a lovely place to be. It's incredibly private and it finishes the property off a treat. So if you'd like to come and have a look at it, give us a call, 01823 423 500.